Assalamualaikum, hello everyone. This is my third video containing exercise 2.1, and today we will start with question number 7 of exercise 2.1. So in question number 7 they are saying you have to work out the value of each expression as we were solving in our previous questions, in question number 6, in question number 2 and 1. We are just finding the values of the expressions. Same in question number 7, we are finding the values of these expression by substituting the value of these variables, where w is equal to 5, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 8, and z is equal to minus 2. So I solved these questions for you so it will be easier for you to understand. I'll take you on that sheet. First, the expression number A is 3 into w plus x, where w is equal to 5 and x is equal to 2. So by putting the value of w and x, 5 plus 2 will be 7, and when we multiply 7 with 3, our answer will be 21. So in part B, the expression is x into 2w minus y. We will substitute the value of x is 2, 2 is as it is, w is 5, then minus y is minus 8, and then 2 as it is, 2 into 5 is 10, minus minus plus 8, 10 plus 8 is 18, then 2 multiplied by 8 is 18 is 36. Then expression number C. In expression number C, and 3w minus z cube, 3 into 5 is 15, minus into minus 1 cube is minus 1. Whenever we'll take the cube of any number with negative integer, its answer will always be a negative, is always negative. So minus 1 cube will be minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 will be positive 1, 15 plus 1 will be 16. So next expression is 2x whole cube. So first we will put the value of x. 2 into 2 will be 4, 4 cube will be 64. Now expression E, x power 2 plus y power 2. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is minus 8. The value of y is equal to minus 8. So 2 raised to power 2 is 4, plus minus 8 raised to power 2 is 64. Now whenever we take an even power, so the answer is always positive. So minus 8 into minus 8 will be positive 64. Now adding 64 and 4, our answer will be 68. So moving back to question expression number F, wx by z plus y. W is 5, x is 2, and divided by minus 1, plus y value is minus 8. 5 into 2 is 10, divided by minus 1, plus minus minus 8. Then 10 divided by minus 1 will be minus 10, and minus 8 as it is, minus minus plus, same sign we will add, but the sign of bigger value, which is 10, so it will be minus 18. Then G part. In G part, the expression is 2 into x cube minus z square. So the value of x is 2 and the value of z is minus 1. 2 cube is 8, minus as it is, minus 1 square will be positive 1, plus and plus 1, then minus 1 will be minus 8, minus 1 will be 7, 7 into 2 will be 14. In H part, the expression is 25 minus 2 into w square. 25 minus 2, w is 5, 5 square will be 25, 25 into 2 will be 50, 25 minus 50 will be, they have different signs, so we have to subtract them, and the sign of bigger value, which is 50. So that's why the answer is minus 50, minus 25. In I part, the expression is w plus z into 2x minus y. W is 5 plus z is minus 1. Then 2 into x, x is 2, and the y is minus 8, plus as it is, plus minus minus 1. 2 into 2 4, minus minus plus 8. 5 as it is. First we will solve the bracket. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 into minus 1 will be minus 12, and then 5 minus 12 will be minus 7. So the last expression we have to solve is j. J is 3z power 4 minus z power 7, its whole power 4. So 3 into minus 1, that will be minus 1, minus 3. Then minus 3 power 4 will be 81. Minus 1 power 7 will be minus 1. Minus minus plus, it will be 81 plus 1, and the answer will be 82. So now we are done with question number 7. Now we will move to question number 8. In question number 8, they are saying that this is part of Dia's homework, and Dia had calculated some expression, and he's saying that 2x square is equal to 2x whole square. So we have to see, is it is true or not that 2x square is equal to 2x whole square. So first we can assume when x is equal to 3, and putting x is equal to 3, 2 into 3 will be 6, 6 square will be 36, and 2 into 3 will be 6, 6 square will be 36, and in expression 2 into 3, 3 square is 9, 9 into 2 is 18, 18 and 36 are not equal. So Dia is saying correct that 2x square is not equal to 2x whole square. So there are some uh, expressions relating to the method Dia has followed. So we have to also verify them, and we have to check either these statements are true or false. So if we'll take uh, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 in part A, 2 square will be 4, 4 into 3 will be 12. So the left side is 12, and 2 into 3 will be 6, 6 here is 36. So the expression A is not 12 is not equal to 36. So he is correct in this equation. In expression, no. And now in expression B. Expression B, we assuming y is equal to suppose 2, as it is minus 2 raised to power 4 will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 8 to the 16. It will be positive 16, and minus, if we will say the minus will be out of the bracket, and 2 raised to power 4 is equal to minus 16. So right side is minus 16 and the left side is positive 16. So this expression is also not equal to, are not equal. Now assuming x is equal to 3 in expression number C, and y is equal to 4. So 2 into x is 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 into x is 3, and y is 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 multiplied by 2 will be 14 is equal to 2 3 the 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So 14 is not equal to 10. By using the Dia's method, which is counter example, it is clear that these expressions are not equal to each other. So we are done with this video. I'll continue question number 9 and 10 in my next video. Thank you.